Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Gentlemen, we have been out of touch with your firm for some time through no fault of our own. Permit us to suggest that it would be advisable and certainly more profitable for you if your salesman would call more often. It is generally admitted by the different agents of rival firms that it is extremely difficult to keep up the sales of cotton print goods unless something is done to keep in close touch with the buyers. It is known that your lines are as attractive as the others, and you ought to have no great difficulty in proving that fact. We know that you will regard the hint we have offered as nothing but evidence of our kind feelings for you. Very truly yours. This firm gave as excellent reference so that we think we should extend the time for payment of the balance due on their account. The young man stands a very good chance of obtaining the post of assistant manager of the bond department owing to the splendid training he has received. Please provide us with a memorandum of all merchandise which is subject to a special allowance. The rough draft serves to show how the use of the telephone has been extended during the last 7 years. Several of the students have been taken out of the second grade, and we plan to make other arrangements for those who remain. Your statement is returned because the amount of the discount that you have deducted is not correct.